How to change the color of the PNG file in Illustrator. The very first thing you want to do is to adjust the color balance. Place the image in Adobe Illustrator and embed the image. I suggest you make a copy of the image and work on a duplicate image so that you can compare the colors. Step 2. Select one of the images. Go to the overhead menu and select Edit. Click on Edit Colors and then head over to Adjust Color Balance. It will land you on this interface. Move the sliders to adjust the color balance. Check the preview box to see the color changing process. If your document is in RGB mode, you will be adjusting the red, green and blue values like mine. Well, if your document is in CMYK color mode, you will be adjusting the cyan, magenta, yellow and black values. Click OK when you are happy with your color, and your color will be changed successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change color of PNG file in Illustrator. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.